Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. Today, we'll guide you through creating a tree of procedures that will help you understand and navigate the quality module seamlessly. Once you're logged into your Parsimony account, you'll see the dashboard. Look for the Quality section in the left-hand sidebar. Click on it to access all features related to quality management. Now, within the Quality module, we're going to focus on creating a tree of procedures. This feature helps you outline and visualize your quality assurance processes in a structured manner. In the Quality module, locate the tree of procedures and click on it. This is where we will create our root procedure. Next, you will be directed to the Quality Procedure page, wherein you can see the list of created quality procedures. From there, you can select the existing procedures that need to add a sub-procedures. If the procedure you are looking for is not there in the list, you can create a new one by clicking the Add Quality Procedure button at the top right corner. Let us select a procedure from the list. Find the process description and select Sub-Procedure from the drop-down menu. Here you can define the hierarchical structure of your procedures. You can continue to add more sub-procedures. This builds the tree structure of your procedure. Now that you've built your tree of procedures, it's a good idea to double-check everything. Review the names and descriptions you've entered. Once satisfied with the entries, click the Save button at the top right corner. This will save your procedure tree, making it available for others to view and use. Congratulations! You've successfully created a tree of procedures in the Quality module of Parsimony. Please return to the Quality Procedure page and see it listed with other procedures. By effectively organizing your procedures, you help ensure your team understands the quality processes, which enhances efficiency and accountability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to explore other features of the Quality module and leverage Parsimony to optimize your quality management practices.